In this video, I'll show you how to add negative keywords in Google Ads. First, sign into your Google Ads account and select the campaign or ad group where you want to add negative keywords. Next, click Keywords in the left menu. Then, select Negative Keywords to open the negative keyword settings. After that, click the plus button to add new negative keywords. Enter the words or phrases you don't want your ads to appear for. For example, if you're selling premium products, you might add terms like free or cheap. Now, choose whether you want the negative keywords to apply to a specific ad group or the entire campaign. Next, review your keyword list carefully to make sure you're not blocking searches that could bring valuable traffic to your business. Once you're satisfied with the list, click Save to apply your changes. After that, monitor your search terms report regularly to identify irrelevant searches and add additional negative keywords when needed. Finally, continue refining your negative keyword list over time to improve ad relevance, reduce wasted ad spend, and attract more qualified visitors. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add negative keywords in Google Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.